Sairam children. Children, now you people are having your exams, right? So, what we are going to do? Yes, we are going to revise the portion. We are going to solve questions from each lesson. Okay? Now you know very well what kind of questions are there in the exam. Mostly all the questions are MCQs. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to read the question carefully and click on the correct option. Children, in this paper you will be having questions like fill in the blanks, true or false, choose the correct options, answer in one sentence, etc. But for all type of questions there will be options given, and what you have to do, you have to read the question carefully and click on the correct option. So let us start solving the questions. So the first one is choose the correct option. The first question is the vertebral column protects. The options are heart, brain, lungs and the spinal cord. So what is the correct answer, children? Yes, the correct answer is D, spinal cord. The vertebral column protects the spinal cord. We know that the vertebral column is very delicate. And we also know that the bones are hard and strong. So they protect the delicate organs in our body. Like heart is protected by the rib cage. Brain is protected inside the skull. Lungs are also protected inside the rib cage. And the vertebral column protects the delicate spinal cord. Now the next question is, children, which among these is a second class lever? The options are seesaw, scissors, tweezers and bottle opener. Children, we have already discussed about levers in detail. So what is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is D, bottle opener. Now the next one is, what causes acid rain? Presence of harmful gases in the air, global warming or fertilizers. So what is the correct answer, children? The correct answer is A, presence of harmful gases in the air. We have discussed in the class that in the session that when the harmful substances, the harmful gases mix with the water vapor in the air, they form substances called as acids. They form acids. And when it rains and it comes to the earth in the form of acid, so that is called as acid rain. So the reason behind acid rain is air pollution. Now the next question is, which among the following statements is correct about the bones? Now we are going to read the statements. The first one is, bones are living and can mend themselves if broken. The second one is, bones are soft. The third one, the inside of bone contains a jelly-like substance called bone marrow. The fourth one is, bones are of different shapes and sizes. Now in these options, children, the second one is wrong, right? The second one is not correct. The bones are soft. This is not correct. So the question is, which among the following statements is correct about the bones? And the options are 1 and 2. So we know that 2 is incorrect. Okay, so this is not the correct answer. The second B is 1 and 3. Again 1 and 3, bones are living and can mend themselves if broken. 1 and 3 is correct, but also 4 is also correct. So the correct answer is here is 1, 3 and 4. So what is the correct option here, children? The correct option is D, 1, 3 and 4. As we know that all the three statements about the bone is correct. About the bones is correct. That is, bones are living and can mend themselves if broken. Bones, in the inside of bone contains a jelly-like substance called bone marrow, which is also correct. And bones are of different shapes and size. We know that in our body, the bones which are present, they are of different shapes and sizes. So the answer here is 1, 3 and 4. In this way, you have to read the question very carefully, understand the question, and you have to click on the correct option, children. Okay. Now the next question is fill in the blanks. Okay, the first one is the useful things that we get from the environment. So what are the useful things called which we get from the environment? Now the options are environmental resources or natural resources. So according to you, what is the correct answer, children? Yes, they are called as natural resources. Okay. Now the next one is a dash and axle together make a simple machine. The options are nail or wheel. So what is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is wheel. A wheel and axle make a simple machine which is called as wheel and axle. Now the next one is an object sinks if its weight is. The options are greater than the upthrust, less than the upthrust. Now here what is the answer? Yes, an object sinks if its weight is greater than the upthrust. Now the fourth one, dash causes breathing problem and lung damage. The options are drinking polluted water or breathing polluted air, right? So what is the correct answer here? The correct answer is breathing polluted air. Breathing polluted air may cause breathing problems and lung damage, the issues related to your respiratory tract. Okay, so the answer here is breathing polluted air. The next one is dash gives shape to the body and protects the internal organs. The options are bones and muscles. And what is the correct answer here, children? Yes, the answer here is bones. Bones give shape to the body and protects the internal organs. Muscles help in the movement, right? Muscles are attached to the bones and they help to move the bones. And we have also discussed that muscles can only pull the bone. They cannot push it. Now the next question is answer in one sentence. The question number 1 is, what is geothermal energy? Now the first one is the option is the energy that we get from sun. The energy obtained from the heat inside the earth. The energy generated when an object vibrates. The energy obtained by burning things. So what is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer here is B. The energy obtained from heat inside the earth is called as geothermal energy. Now the next one is, what is a complex machine? Children, we have discussed in this lesson in detail about various type of simple machines like lever, pulley, screw, inclined plane, etc. And we have also discussed about a complex machine. So what is a complex machine? The options are a machine which is very difficult to use, a machine made up of few parts, a machine without any parts, a machine made up of many parts. So what is a complex machine, children? Yes, a complex machine, the correct option is D. A machine made up of many parts is known as a complex machine. In this way, children, in the answer in one sentence, you will get one correct sentence, one correct answer, and another answers or other options will be wrong. So you have to read the question and click on the correct answer. Now the next one is, what is a joint? The options are, joints are places where two organs are joined together. Joints are places where two muscles are joined together. Joints are places where two bones are joined together. And none of the above. So what is a joint, children? Which is the correct answer? So the correct answer is C. Joints are places where two bones are joined together. Now the next question is, dash can only pull at the bones. So the options here are joints and muscles. So here we know the first answer. Children, we'll just click on the answers and we'll move ahead. Okay. So here the correct answer is muscles. We know that muscles can only pull at the bones. Now the next one is, the muscles which are in our control are called as voluntary muscles or involuntary muscles. Now we know that the muscles which are in our control are called as voluntary muscles. And the next one, the muscles which are not in our control are called as, we know that they are called as involuntary muscles. So correct sequence of options here should be muscles, voluntary and involuntary. So we will look for this sequence. So where it is, children? It is this B, second one, muscles, voluntary and involuntary. So the answer is B. So in this way, children, you may also get questions like this, wherein you have to see the correct sequence of the answer and then you have to click on the correct answer. See again the next question. The blanket of air that surrounds the earth is called. The options are ecosystem or atmosphere. Now we know that the blanket of air that surrounds the earth is called as atmosphere. Now the layer of atmosphere where living things can breathe normally. Which is that layer, children? Yes, the layer of air where living things can breathe normally is troposphere. Next one, the layer where jet planes usually fly is stratosphere or troposphere. You know that jet planes usually fly in stratosphere. Meteors burn in this layer. So in which layer meteors burn? Stratosphere or mesosphere? They burn in mesosphere. So we will look for this sequence. It should be troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere. The first one is atmosphere, right? The layer of air that surrounds the earth is called as atmosphere. And the next three are troposphere, stratosphere and mesosphere. So it is there in C. So the correct answer is C. Now the next one is, identify the property of air shown in the figure. The options are, air is needed for burning. B, air has weight. C, air exerts pressure. D, air occupies space. So, can you tell me which property of air is shown in the given figure? Yes, it is C, air exerts pressure. The next one is, identify the kind of pollution shown in the figure. So the options are air pollution, land pollution, water pollution and noise pollution. So what is the correct answer here? Yes, the correct answer is D, noise pollution. So children, you will be having this kind of questions in the exam. So study well for the exams. Best of luck, children. We are going to end this session here. Sai Ram.